Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I have some unexpected happy mail here. So let's see what we have here. If I did mention, this is happy mail from Isis Ella Jules. Oh, wow. Okay. So I've pretty much done my spreads for the week. Well, no, I still have my PR planner to do. So let's see what we've got here. Take everything out. Ooh, look at the color. Fearless. Think about things different. I like that. Love the color scheme. Here we go with some journaling squares. My mind is blessed. My life is blessed. My dreams, my purpose. Okay. We're getting back into the color. I'm divinely protected. My dreams are divinely protected. My journey is, and my spirit is. That's what those look like. I plant love in my soul, in my mind, in my heart, in my dreams. I like the plant theme. Don't sweat-ish. Speak your truth. Always do your best, queen. Don't make assumptions. It's like the peachy pink color and black. Then get serious about your peace, about your life, about your goals, about yourself. Some folks may always be miserable. I can't save anyone from themselves. Everyone won't grow with me. I don't have to be the fixer. I like that color scheme there. Okay, so here we get into the dolls. Let's not be distracted. Okay, so we've got, do we need to zoom in more? So we've got Rose, Coco, Lexi, Kyla, Shayla, Angela, Serena, Summer, London, Parker. Oh, I love this dress. Miss P, Shannon, the IEJ Squad 2, the IEJ Squad, Ricky, and Candy. Okay, so that is the dolls. Okay, so these are mini kits, I believe is what they're called. This one is Wise Queen Energy. Got the animal print going on. Then we've got Protect Your Energy, the black and whites. Then we've got Unconditional Love for Me, mostly black and white. And then I think this is my favorite doll for the summer, Gone with the Wind Fabulous. It has a great title. And I love the green. I really like all the color in their stickers now, so you get some neutral and some color, so that makes them really easy to mix and match, right down to little tiny sticker here. Even the dolls, we got color going on with some of these, so you can, like I said, mix and match. They work great with all types of spreads, so these are great for summer. So this release is named Growin Glowin, which I think is a great name. It releases July 1st at 9 a.m. PST. just giving you a first look at what's going to be available, and I will definitely be back within the coming days to do some spreads with these so you can see what kind of things you can put together with these stickers. And I know I'm just spreading them out, making a mess, but I just kind of want to get a good feel for the color schemes and everything. So yeah, that is the new release coming to Isis Ella Jewels. You can use my discount code, which I will leave in the description box below. Make sure you mark it in your planner so you don't miss it. That is July 1st at 9 a.m. PST, and I will put the additional time zones in the description box below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.